Yeah, this is face cam. Hey Jordan!
Wait, no, hold on. You're covering the lens with your finger.
No, there's a lens there.
Oh.
Because you have it like this. Hey man.
Tyler, please.
Hey man, how you going? Are you recording this? Yeah.
Gonna get it really good for the camera,
Yes. All the biggest jumps.
You need to send me that photo.
The best photo ever.
It's like, whoa, whoa.
Steady, man, steady. Yeah, I like. Oh look, motorbike. Oh, they did a burnout. This is a tour of the toilet. Mission accomplished. So how was it, D? Was there toilet paper in there?
Oh, wow.
Nice. Luxury, luxury. Litlands. Chuck us a bowl. It look cool. Just miss it, smash the camera. Yeah. Yeah. No, I kept going that way. Yeah, I just found there was a property up there, and then there was like a motorbike track that I followed back. And I met this weird shaman, and he told me the right way home. Yes, he taught me the meaning of life. A D in a native habitat on her phone. What's up? Nice. Oh! Gravity doesn't apply. Oh, good one. Oh, you can get it, Jordan.
I'll get it. You get that way?
I'll film you. I'll film you. If you die, we'll continue on in your memory. I've been prancing. Just prancing down the hill. Oh, nice. What's up? Oh! I'm trying to get the right angles. I'm trying to get the right angles here. It's going to be unwatchable because it's so shaky. It's a little detour. Oh. I don't even know myself. I think I just flew. Oh, nice. Monkey man. Danger is my name. Pain is my game.
Can't see the stars, but we're reaching. Trying to get through the dark, I'm feeling. Lost our gravity, now we're weightless. But I know in my heart we can take this.
What a day. I so wish this was like freshwater.
It is freshwater, but
It's not like
I like to swim in it. It'd be nice if you could though. Just
Yeah,
jump
that's what I
off.
mean.
And it's
Yeah,
like
jump
super
off of
deep.
it,
Yeah.
yeah.
That'd be awesome. Let's go. Yeah.
Then why do we swear we're alive, but we're falling to pieces? We fight like lies, we howl at the moon. We should be fine, so we bury the truth.
That looks like a good life, a good life vessel, man.
Oh, that's the same line. Yeah. I was going to call it water. That's good. Oh, that's good. Look at it. No, it's not good.
I feel weird wearing the camera. It's just freaking looking at people.
No,
man.
it looks good.
Oh, I wish I could be more like you, Tyler. Oh, whoa! Smell this.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, smell this. It smells like Jelly Belly. Like
like pineapple soft drink.
I actually like that smell. Smell that. You want it? Do you seriously want to go in there?
Well, hang on. Let me see. I want to see how fresh slash dead.
I think it looks pretty clean. It's just this. It's only brown because it gets stained by the leaves. Do you want to go in there? I'll go in if you go in. We'll dry out on the way back.
Really slippery and quick. Oh, that's true.
No, we just leave our shoes out here. Yeah, because there's the trail up there, and it's not. You just have to go through the car park there.
Good, but you guys can go ahead.
Do you want to go in there, Josh? I'll go in.
Let's go around to the center.
There, it's a bit sunny there. This is African box thorn. Don't fall into that. Looks like a good time. Oh!
But we're falling to pieces. Fight like lions. We howl at the moon.
I don't have to explain it.
He's trying to get back to the post. Ooh, that was close, man.